Hey, Klaus here, e-commerce business coach. In this short video, I want to show you a tip on how you can keep your Shopify theme clean from junk code and leftovers from apps that you have installed. So whenever you want to try a new app in your store, first thing you should do before you install the app, go into your theme, then go into actions, go into duplicate. So make a copy of your actual theme that you have right now and save that in your, so this will save a duplicate, as you can see here, a copy of your actual theme with all the code that you're using right now. Then the other thing, you download the theme file. So basically you download a backup from your actual theme. So if you do this, it will be sent to an email address, and there you will receive a zip file, which basically contains all your theme files. Now you can install your new app. If you want to keep the app, everything is fine. If you have tested an app and you think it's not worth it, you don't want to use it any longer or whatsoever, then go back and either activate the copy that you already have done as your new theme and delete the one where you have installed the theme. Or the other way, if that doesn't work for you, then you can just go and upload the backup that you have downloaded. Now, the reason for that is some themes add quite a bit of code to your files, to your theme files. And when you deinstall the themes, there might be some code left over in your source code from this theme. So over time, your theme will blow up with sort of junk code, leftover code, and it will have a negative impact on the load time and worst case scenario also on the functionality of your theme. So you just want to make sure that your source code is clean and there is no code in there that is not necessarily used for the theme, because as I said, it has a negative impact on your load time, on the speed of your site. So this is just a quick tip on how to keep your theme clean and healthy. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, as always, leave a comment below. And other than that, have a great day.